It came as a surprise to many when a shortage first broke the story on the debts of cities in NCR.
Para sa Mariqueños, the red flags were there. May 3.6 billion peso na utang, the most per capita caused by overspending on infrastructure and welfare programs. We were met with criticism. Inatake kami ng Marikina PIO, isang government page na pinondohan ng pera ng mga taxpayer na dapat ay para sa public service at hindi para sa political machinery. Tinawag pa kami na biased for exposing the truth. Less than a year since a shortage faced attacks from Marikina LGU habang dinidiscredit nila ang aming report. Si Mayor Marcy na dati ay kilala bilang isang good governance leader ay nasuspinde dahil sa alleged technical malversation ng PhilHealth Fund reimbursements.
As Mayor Marcy's term ends, Marikina's future is uncertain. Two women are now vying for the mayor's seat. The first, Maan Chodoro, Marcy's wife.
Ang say ni Maan, she'll continue the legacy of her husband, a former teacher and a first-term congresswoman. Kilala siya para sa kanyang social welfare programs, but beyond that, not much is known about her. She is currently facing a graft and corruption case at the Ombudsman. On the other hand, we have Stella Kimbo, dating UP professor, expert sa economic governance at dating commissioner ng Philippine Competition Commission. Nangako siyang tatapusin ang debt crisis ng Marikina, make the city more investor-friendly, and revive its iconic shoe industry. Pero pati siya, may hinaharap ring controversies. Her lavish lifestyle, taste for luxury handbags, watches, and high-end fashion. Kimbo's role as chair of the House Appropriations Committee has also made headlines, lalo na nung isummon siya ng Supreme Court para dumaan sa oral arguments tungkol sa constitutionality ng 2025 national budget. At the shortage, we've faced attacks for exposing these truths. Nasabihan na rin kami na namumulitika for reporting facts. But we stand firm in our commitment to fearless, independent journalism. We will always call out the systems that keep the powerful in power. Kaya naman Marikina, the choice is yours. Will you continue to be a city where dynasties hide behind good governance? O oras na para mag-demand ng accountability sa ating leaders na mamamahala para sa susunod na Marikina?